Want more focus time? Mark meetings as flexible, and Clockwise will optimize their timing so they don't interrupt your day. Let's see how. You probably meet regularly with your teammates, cross-functional partners, and folks outside your team. Each meeting is important, and some of them have to happen at a very specific time, like your quarterly kickoff meeting. But others, like weekly one-on-ones, are more flexible in their timing. They need to happen on a regular cadence, but it's less important exactly which time or day they occur. At Clockwise, we call these flexible meetings, and Clockwise can optimize the timing of these meetings to be less disruptive, freeing up more focus time and resolving conflicts for you and your team. So, once you find meetings to streamline, let Clockwise know they are flexible and when it's okay to move them. Marking which meetings are flexible takes just one click. Then, tell Clockwise whether it can move within the day, on specific days, or within the week. Or, take it a step further by setting a specific time range for each meeting. That way, you can always get your favorite coffee with Raf on Thursday mornings. With flexible meetings set, Clockwise will analyze all of your organization's flexible meetings once a day. It will automatically reschedule meetings when it can create more focus time or resolve conflicts for you and your teammates. And because it can take everyone's calendars, preferences, and focus time goals into account, Clockwise can create the best possible schedule for everyone on the team. The timing of your meetings is critical to making them an effective tool for collaboration and work. For those that are okay to move, you can now mark them flexible using Clockwise to find the best times, leaving you with more time to focus and less time thinking about scheduling your meetings.